Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what Maya and Clara look like. It's important to note that these names refer to several different individuals, so their appearances vary greatly. We'll explore some prominent examples from the entertainment industry and popular online gaming. Understanding the context is key to knowing who you're looking for. First, let's consider the real-life personalities. Maya Jama is a well-known British television presenter and radio DJ, recognized for her vibrant style and engaging presence. Similarly, Clara Amfo is another prominent British presenter, known for her distinctive fashion and energetic personality. Both women have unique physical features and personal styles that define their public image. Next, we look at fictional portrayals, such as the characters Maya and Clara in Roblox Brookhaven roleplays. Here, their appearance is entirely customizable. Players choose their avatar's hair, clothing, and facial features, meaning there isn't one fixed look. Their appearance can change dramatically from one video or game session to the next, reflecting diverse creative choices. Beyond these examples, you'll find other individuals named Maya and Clara in various fields, like college basketball or acting. The key takeaway is that Maya and Clara are not a single entity. To understand what they look like, you must specify which Maya and Clara you mean. Always consider the context for accurate identification. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.